As someone who has installed multiple types of mosaic backsplashes and wall tiles over the years, I can confidently say that this box of 10 glossy gold glass penny round mosaic tiles delivers both visual impact and solid performance. One of the first things that I notice is that these tiles are mesh-mounted sheets, not peel and stick. For me, that's actually a major advantage. Peel and stick products are convenient but often compromise on durability and long-term adhesion. Because these require proper thin set mortar installation, they feel far more permanent and professional grade. Once installed, the tiles sit firmly in place with no shifting or uneven spacing. Glossy gold finish is what truly sets this product apart. The reflective surface enhances natural and artificial lighting, creating a subtle shimmer effect on that changes throughout the day. Compared to the ceramic penny tiles or matte finish mosaics, the glass finish construction gives us much more luxurious and high-end appearance.